Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Awapuhi Wild Ginger Repair Duo. This product came within 3 days, and in the box they also sent me a lot of perfume samples, and other discounts as well. Our family has wavy to curly hair, and it keeps it from getting too dry. Unfortunately, Paul Mitchell could have actually made the product do what it's supposed to, and not be a waste of. It is great for the price, and a little of the product goes a long way. You only need little bit to put in your hair, and it makes your hair very silky. Note, this is a super strong concentrated shampoo, literally a little bit goes a long way. This has a wonderful scent, but you need several applications, one per week, to really notice the effect of a healthy hair treatment. This way overpriced stuff does not work even remotely close to as well as Pantene 3-Minute Miracle does. This is worth the money. This smells great, and really works to smooth and moisturize dry hair. A little shampoo goes a long way, and leaves a great shine to the hair. JCPenney Salon has for the same price, but buy one get one 50 off. Yes, the price may be a little bit higher than other products, but well worth the money. The scent of this product, and feel when you're in the shower, is great, and feel like the smell stays with afterwards for a little bit, which is nice. Definitely not the real Paul Mitchell stuff. Very disappointed. Was looking forward to this stuff too. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.